Welcome to Nutric Food Show 10th Ramadan Diet Plan. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more video updates. Break your fast with dates. Regular intake of fresh fruits and juices is necessary. Wake up for Sehri on time. Use following meal items for Sehri: oats with fresh fruits, frozen overnight, 2 tablespoon chia seeds, 2 figs, half plate biryani type masala pulao, 1 cup milk.
وبصوم غد نويت من شهر رمضان. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Consume following meal items for Iftar: 2 dates, 1 small bowl black bean soup, half avocado mashed with salt and pepper.
اللهم إني لك صمت وبك آمنت وعليك توكلت وعلى رزقك أفطرت. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Meal items for dinner: 2 small slices grilled or steamed fish with potatoes and vegetable, 1 cup tea. No exercise for 10th day. Don't forget to like, share, comment this video and subscribe our channel.